Hi guys! So for my video today, I'm going to show you how you get to the IAT site, also known as Implicit Association Tests. You will be required to complete one of these tests and then reflect on it in a discussion with your peers. So you can start by going to Google and you can search for Project Implicit. Once you go to Project Implicit, you will see this site. And the best way to do this, if you aren't already registered, is to just go ahead and do it as a guest. So I'm going to click down here by the United States guest. You can read about Project Implicit, some preliminary information. You can even click on links if you would like to find out some extra information about the IAT. And then once you have read through this and you're comfortable with continuing, go ahead and click on I wish to proceed. Here you're going to get a selection of different IATs that you can take. I recommend that you do one related to race or skin tone or religion or weight, because we're really trying to test your implicit biases here. And so I would scroll down and kind of review all your possibilities here. Many of them relate to those topics, and choose which one you want to do. I'm going, for this demonstration, to click on the weapons IAT, and this has to do with whether we're more likely to pair weapons with African American faces and more harmless objects with Caucasian faces. Because again, the IAT is all about making associations. So I'm going to click on the weapons IAT. It briefly covers some information here, and then when you're ready to begin, you go ahead and click continue. And so at this point, you would want to complete a questionnaire, which I won't do for the purpose of this, but it will allow you to provide a baseline for maybe some of your attitudes towards different experiences. I'm going to go ahead and click decline to answer, but I would suggest that you would go through these. Click decline to answer. And then finally, after you've completed all the attitudes measures, they may show you some more information, they may not. In this case, they're showing you the harmless objects you'll be viewing and the weapons you'll be viewing. They'll also be showing you faces of Black Americans and white Americans. The actual test has 7 parts to it, and the instructions change each time, so you really have to pay attention. After I continue here, it's telling me that I will press 1 key when I see photos for Black Americans and 1 key when I see photos for white Americans. The key for any of the instructions and any of the parts is that you go as fast as you can. If you make a mistake, the red X appears and you're able to do it again later, or to finish out that particular one. So when you're ready to begin, you'll press the space bar and you will go through the task, and it moves pretty quickly. So that gives you an introduction into the IAT test that you will be completing. Have fun!